is this is pretty close to opaque blue. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's close enough for us. The next video, probably next Saturday, we'll rewrap these and do the brakes and stuff. We might even have a chain or derailleur. I'm not sure, but we do have these. And oh, what else? Yeah, in our box of goodies, we have some Schwinn approved lights. They're kind of a little geeky on the geeky side, but I'm thinking I might be able to, if I have room on this bolt, I think I can come off of here maybe. I'm not sure how that's going to look. Something like that. Here, I'll put you down. Yeah, maybe something like this. Am I here? Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, maybe. If I can find a better, cooler looking attachment one. I'm pretty sure this will go on, and it is Schwinn approved. And getting a Schwinn generator that says Schwinn and works for Schwinn bikes, and that's actually not too bad. I've seen some generators on eBay that weren't exactly, you know, $1 million. Anyway, what I know I can't do is use this style. I can't use this style because this style goes underneath all this business. And I don't think there's enough room. There's a lot going on here. There's the center pull thing. There's the gears. I don't think there's gonna be enough room there for that. That's why I think I'm gonna have to come off the bolt. If I do use the Schwinn approved lights. I have 3 of them. Between the 3, I think I can get one working. Okay, so that's, and this is the backlight. Kind of sassy. I don't have the mounting hardware for it. Anyway, so that's the Skinny. We did pretty good. We dug through all my chain guards and we found one that worked, and we know it works, and we got cranks. And yeah, I just couldn't take a fail. I just couldn't take a did not finish, you know, so came out here and sweated my butt off for you guys. Okay, so yeah, next Saturday, probably a live feed. We'll probably put a rear derailleur on this and maybe put the white walls. Oh yeah, I got some white walls too. Oh yeah. We got some 27.25" white walls just sitting there on the rack, just ready to go for such occasions. Hey, thanks for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm just trying to bring these videos to people for educational stuff, and if more people comment and subscribe, then the videos, kind of the whole algorithm thing kicks in. Anyway, we got this thing out with a 2.89 millimeter Allen. And so if you're thinking about putting one of these in your Schwinn, don't do it. Hey, have a great night, man. And I'll see you guys next Saturday, probably. See ya.